All too often, the ambitious plans for running your business are slowed down by distractions, like being sidelined with maintenance projects that take you away from the work you really need to be spending time on. But what if there was a way you could focus on the bigger picture without sacrificing the smooth operation of your facilities? With ATCO Facility Solutions, now there is. For over 30 years, ATCO has helped countless global organizations get the most out of their facilities and equipment, and we're thrilled to now offer our expertise to businesses across the province of Alberta. Since every client, project, and business is different, ATCO Facility Solutions offers plans tailor-made to your specific needs, each aiming to help reduce operating costs and improve efficiencies. So what does that look like? Well, sometimes it's developing and executing a complete preventative maintenance program, while other times it's providing on-call HVAC, plumbing, electrical work, or other full-service repairs. On top of that, we've got a long track record of providing reliable project management, waste management, roads and groundskeeping care, as well as snow and ice control. If it's part of your facility maintenance and management plans, it's something that we're prepared to take care of. Our mobile and agile teams can be there on call day or night, arriving at every job ready to provide a solution. Contact ATCO Facility Solutions today and let us help you focus on what matters most. ATCO, always there, anywhere.